Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Zelle error code 724. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So first, unlock your phone and open the settings menu. You can usually find this by tapping on the gear icon in your app drawer or pulling down on the notification shed and selecting the settings gear. Now within the settings menu, scroll down or search for the option labeled apps or applications. This section lists all the apps installed on your phone. Once you're in the app section, you might need to further navigate to the manage apps or manage app manager option here, or a similar option depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. Now, in the list of apps, look for the Zelle app that's causing issue. You can either scroll through the list and use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Now, tap on the Zelle app's icon or name to open its specific settings page. This page contains various options and information related to the app. Now, look for the app permissions or permission section within the app section. Here you'll see a list of permissions that the app requires to function properly, such as access to your camera, contacts, or location. Review the permissions listed and ensure all necessary permissions are enabled. Toggle switches next to each permission or to allow access as needed. This setup ensures that app has necessary capabilities to perform its functions without any hindrance. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.